So I just wanted to document this setup for my 2006 Ford Mustang, where I'm replacing the factory stereo, and I got the Metra harness over here, and these are the radio harnesses, and then this is the other part of the Metra harness because I'm trying to keep my amplifier, because I've got the Shaker 500 system and it comes with this extra plug. And the confusing part of it was, for this plug there is a red and a white, but for the Shaker 500 you only use the white plug, which is part of pins 1 through 4. So that's the confusing part, because it has another plug, and if you have the Shaker 1000, apparently you use both of these and you use both sides of this plug. But for the Shaker 500 you only use pins 1 through 4 and the white plug. So I taped off the red plug, and then apparently you also, on this amp turn-on wire here, if you connect it to a regular aftermarket stereo turn-on wire, that's 12 volts, and the stock amps turn on at 5 volts, so I had to get a 12 volt to 5 volt converter, because otherwise you would get some kind of thump. And so this is the converter that I got from Red Wolf, and here I don't have a power turn on for my aftermarket stereo, so I tapped into the red wire, which is turned on with the key, which goes to the blue wire on this converter, and then the yellow wire goes to the turn on for the stock amps, and then the black wire goes to the ground. So that's just showing you how this is hooked up, and then theoretically all of this will work just fine, but this plug here was the confusing part. And you also need this 12 volt to 5 volt converter, so I just wanted to show what it looked like if anybody cared.